If you're struggling to achieve a very tight mix, chances are that the problem is not in the mix. Chances are that the problem is in the arrangement, because no matter how good you are at mixing, no matter how good you are at balancing things and at EQing things, nothing will ever be the arrangement. And this is why I realized I had to address the elephant in the room here, because we're all obsessed by technicalities, by details, by how to mix this, how to get the low end tight, how to get things crisp. But ultimately, the first thing to do is the arrangement. If some things are not right at the core, you can't fix them. Yeah, of course, you can tweak things until in a clunky way it's holding together, but that's not the way to do. If you have 4 bass lines playing together at the same time, none of them is going to sound good. If you have 5 layers of kick drums playing together, none of them are going to sound good. If you have 2 kicks or 3 kicks, one for the tight attack, one for the body of the sound, one for the low end, okay, this can make sense. If you have a few guitars playing backing tracks and one lead, of course it can make sense. But having, I don't know, a lead singer playing along with a lead guitar with some synth and having 5 melodies playing together, it's always just gonna be a mess. And if you think about that, all the big hits, all the very loud and punchy tracks don't have that many elements. Maybe there are many tracks playing the same thing to have layers playing the same instrument being glued together as one thing, to have one huge fat and wide instrument, but it's just playing one melody. So think about your arrangement, think about the structure, think about how the break is building up into the drop to have a heavy drop, and how the drop doesn't need all the elements. Think about the arrangement before anything else. See you soon. Bye bye.